Hi, I'm Tommy from Dynamic Corvettes. We're gonna get some measurements off this bucket powered seat. We've got 19, 17, and 30.5 inches. And then we have your inserts for your upholstery that sit in here real nice and tight, the bottom and the top. We're going to pass this off to Steve, talk about the electric switch. Thank you.
And so in this plate of the seat, this is our base. Our base is the anchoring parts. So you're going to have 2 bolts on either side to anchor it, but we have different positions. So you can move the bottom of this seat on the seat base. So you have a nice heavy duty power seat track. This seat track is going to take you front to rear. That's all that seat track does. And in here is your power switch. The bottom base is made so you can put your power seat switch here. Okay, we're not installing the seat switch for the simple reason if you've got a different idea. But if you come over here and you'll see where that seat switch is going to go, that's going to be right at the front of the seat. So if you want it there, that's fine. But if you're doing something like with an infinity box and you're going to have it on your screen, you don't even need the switch. It'll be wired into that. Or if you want to take this switch and put it down here, over here, remount it, we're not mounting the switch. You're going to have the 2 harnesses that work with the switch, some solderless connectors, and then you're going to have these 4 bolts with a short head on them for the seat bottom, for the seat track. Seat track's going to be bolted to your seat. And these are your bolts that come through. You can see it has a real short head with an Allen slot in it. So that seat track can move back and forth. So you can have some pretty good movement in this seat track. Seat base, seat bottom, seat back. And these you don't really do anything to them, but it's your inserts for your foam. Foam gets glued to those. So other than that, thanks for watching.